Do I have talent, Dad?
Of course you have talent. You got all the talent in the world.
Can I be a baseball player?
You can be anything you want to be. Remember, the saddest thing in life is wasted talent. You could have all the talent in the world, but if you don't do the right thing, then nothing happens. But when you do right, guess what? Good things happen. You hear me?
You're right.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you look familiar, right? How's it going?
Not too bad, doing some RVing, are you?
Oh, yeah.
Just a little bit. Enjoy. Thank you.
Yeah, this truck though. All right. So you like the brakes or what?
I do. It works. It's a little tight, but yeah, they get started working.
Yeah, I can hear them squeaking.
They get stuck on. When I push them, they get stuck on.
We'll adjust it. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. They just see it work in.
Yeah.
They've never been used.
That's it.
Obviously, yeah. Hey. Hunter, enough. I didn't think you guys could hunt here. Sorry? I didn't know there was a lot of hunting here. Yeah, there's about 20 more guys in there. Let's go. Maya, Hunter. Hey.
We're just saying hi.
What?
We're just saying hi, that's all.
No worries.
Yeah.
4-wheelers or 3-wheelers through when we're yeah, kind of a bother.
Yeah, this is our trail all the time too, right?
Yeah, I know, I realize that. I'm
Yeah.
here every year as well.
Awesome.
Hunter. Hunter.
All right, well, you take care, man. Pissy right now. You want to just go check that spot out?
wasn't my bike, they're over there. Pull that trophy.
Yo, where'd you guys go riding?
We went all the way down there and just rode in the neighborhood. And he jumped the street, my friend.
You guys ever go to that quarry?
Who's that?
Just the precast right there. I noticed that there's a couple of people that went to the quarry.
Never heard of it.
Okay.
Well, they're pretty sick though.
Yeah, man. You guys live in the area or what?
Yeah, a couple 15 minutes away, but
Oh, okay. What, Fitzroy or what?
not close to Kinburn.
Kinburn, alright. Alright, yeah, your friends look like they just took off, so we'll
Yeah,
probably
I'm
let you
not
get back
talking
to it.
about
Oh, okay.
Start his bike. Put the choke up.
Wait, is Johnny?
Right here.
Did you check your gas?
Yeah, I've gas.
Here, try it now.
I don't know what's wrong with that.
Right here. A little bit of throttle. Start up this whole neighborhood.
My tire, yo, my tire! It's already flat! Those are the kids that met me on a dirt bike one time. What's going on, boys? You guys knew about that.
Met you guys in the trail.
Yeah, I was gonna say you look familiar, right? Yeah. You guys had the 250 or 230, right? Yeah.
He is 250.
Oh yeah.
Big bike now.
Nice.
Before maybe, but those kids have just ruined it.
No,
Well,
it's a farmer up the road.
A farmer down here?
No, he's right up on the.
Oh, okay.
If like you could go to his house and ask him. He's
The first house right beside the trail?
like you know the snowmobile trail.
Yeah.
Down?
Yeah.
The
That's where I
driveway-
noticed the tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The driveway that you cross over.
Yeah.
That's
because of these brakes?
They're stuck engaged. They are engaged.
So we put it too much backwards then.
Yeah, I put it too much backwards.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, fuck. I'll just get
Stand up. You're scared of the stand-ups?
Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, buddy.
Yeah, you happy, man?
That guy seen the scrape. I was like, there's no way he just came back down.
Yeah, man.
No sense.